Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The new recipe for today is chicken gizzards with peanuts. First, we have to boil chicken gizzards in water. When they are soft, remove them from the water. We will use onion, ají panca and yellow pepper. Both are spicy and Peruvian. We're gonna use bay leaf, salt, pepper, garlic, peanut butter or chopped peanut, potatoes, broth chicken gizzards, and cilantro. In a hot oil, add onions, ají panca and yellow pepper. Mix everything. Add the bay leaf in half. Add salt, pepper, and garlic. Mix everything until onion is cooked. Add the potatoes. Mix everything and the broth of chicken gizzards. Cover the pot and cook. When the potatoes cook it, you will add the chicken gizzards. Mix well and add the rest of the broth of chicken gizzards. Add the cilantro, cover the pot and cook. Finally, add the peanut butter or chopped peanut and cover the pot for a few minutes. My secret is to smash the potatoes to give thick consistency to my food. Here you can see the consistency of the stew. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please below in the comments let me know if you wanna see another recipe from my country. My name is Lorena and she's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. Please follow her every Saturdays on my channel. And please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Don't forget to watch the last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.